Welcome to the another video of After Shala. In last video we completed examples of chapter number 1, and I hope that you understood all the things. Okay, now we will start chapter number 2, linear equations in one variable. Okay, first see linear equations in one variable. First we learn what is variable. So variable is an alphabet. You know alphabet A B C D E F G until Z, till Z. Okay, so a variable is an alphabet or term that represent an unknown number or unknown value. Okay, and variable has a value. Okay, so this is variable. Let example, this is expression, okay, 5x. So what is variable in it? So x is variable for this expression because we don't know this unknown quantity x. Okay, we can determine it, but here we don't know the value of x. So this is x is variable for this expression. Y and z are variables for this expression. Y and x are variable for this expression. So this is variable. Now in this chapter, whichever question we see, they are in one variable. Only there is one variable, one type of variable. Okay, one type of variable. So this is one variable. Now this one variable in equation, this one variable is an equation. So now let's see what is equation and what is expression. Okay, in earlier classes you may have come across several algebraic expression and equation. Okay, algebraic means which consists plus, minus, multiplication, division, numbers and terms. Okay, so this is algebraic expression and equation. So expression are of this are of like this. Okay, 5x, 5y minus z, y square plus 3x, then 3x minus 2. So these are expression, and expression does not use equality sign. Okay, this equality sign. So they are called expression which don't use equality sign. But if I talk about equation, then equation use equality sign. As example, 5x plus 2 is equal to 7. So this is equation. Okay, wherever you see equality sign, then that is equation. Okay, so this is the minor difference between expression and equation. Now second difference is expressions have more than one variable. Here see, y and z are two variables, so this expression have more than one variable. Here see y and x. Okay, it has one variable, but it can consist more than one variable. Now equation, in equation can consist also more than one variable. But for this chapter our equations are linear. What is the term means linear? So linear are linear. Okay, what is the term meaning? Okay, we learned what is variable, what is equation. Equation is where we say equality sign. Okay, that is equation. And what is linear? So linear equation. Okay, now let's understand what is linear equation. So now you might understand that what equation consists. Okay, so equation consists variable, equality sign. And now one thing I should tell you, that what is this 5? Okay, let's learn this after. Now see, linear equation. So what is linear? So linear is that this means, okay, this linear equations mean in equation the highest power of the highest power of sorry the highest power of variable is 1. Okay, in linear equation in linear equation the highest power of the variable is 1. Let's example this equation. This is linear because the highest power of variable is 1, because here one variable is x, and highest power means this x raised to 1, x raised to 2. Okay, you have studied these things in earlier classes. What is power, what is base? Okay, here power of this variable is 1. Okay, so this is linear equation, and this linear equation is in one variable. Okay, so let's see. Equation can be okay, but in one variable or more than one variable. Okay, so equation can be of one variable or more than one variable. Now in one variable, two types again, linear and non-linear. One variable means it does not mean that there is only one variable in the equation. Okay, type of variable is one. As example, that x. Okay, so there is one variable is one only, x variable. Okay, x variable, and here more than one variable means x variable, y variable. Okay, different types of variable, not one type of variable. Here in this equation, one type. Okay, variable is x, only value of x is changing. Okay, so this is one variable. Okay, we will also learn. Okay, what is difference between type of variable, terms in equations, okay, coefficient in equations. So equation, there are two types: equations of one variable, equations of more than one variable. In one variable, it means there is one type of variable. As example, 5x square plus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so this is one variable. There is one variable, only x. So now let's write another 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. So now there are again two part, linear and non-linear. Okay, linear and non-linear. So linear means we have learned that what is linear equation. In equation, the highest power of the variable is 1. So see here, this is equation, and there is one variable x, and its power is 1. Okay, so highest power of variable is here 1. So this is linear. And here see the highest power of variable. Who is variable here? X is variable. Okay, x is variable. Wherever you see variable, then check its power. So here its power is 1, and here its power is 2. So what is highest power of variable in this equation? So it is 2. So this is non-linear. So remember, what is linear? Linear equation is that the power of the variable in linear equation is 1. What? Not power, highest power. Okay, highest power of the variable is 1. So that is called linear equation. Okay, so equation, there are two types: one variable, more than one variable. In one variable, linear, non-linear. Linear means the highest power of variable is 1. Here variable is x. Throughout the equation, there is only one variable, one type of variable, x, and highest power of this variable is 2. So this is non-linear. So linear, non-linear. Now more than one variable. So its example as x plus y plus z is equal to 7, x square 2y plus z is equal to 6. So again this is linear because power of all the variable, all different type of variable. Okay, here see, more than one type of variable. Here is one type x, then other y, then other z. Now this is non-linear. This is non-linear because there are different type of also, so they are called more than equation of more than one variable, and the highest power of variable are different. Here 2, if all are same, okay, 2 2 2, then they are called also non-linear. But if there is 2 3 5, then they are that equation is called non-linear. Linear means, remember, 1. Linear means 1. Okay, the power of variable is 1, and our chapter is linear equations in one variable. Okay, I gave you summary for about equations. Okay, but our second chapter is linear equations in one variable. Linear means our highest power of all the our highest power of variable in all the equations is 1, and there is one and only one type of variable in equation. So this is our chapter, linear equations in one variable. Now let's see what is term, what is coefficient, what is constant in linear equation. Let's see. Okay, let's write one equation, but our chapter's name is linear equation in one variable. Let's say 2x minus 3 is equal to 10. Now see here, there is one type of equation, one type of variable x. If I write 2x plus y is equal to 12, then this is not one type of, this is not variable, this is not equation of one variable. Okay, because there are two different type of variable, x and y, but this is equation of one variable. Now let's talk about this. Now we saw this is equation of one variable, but is this linear? Yes, it is linear because the highest power of variable is 1. If I write this equation square, then this is non-linear because highest power of variable is more than 1. So this is non-linear. Now let's talk about this. So we observed that this is linear, this is of one variable. Now this is equation. Which type of equation? Linear equation in one variable. Now this equation can be written as like this. Let's see. Again I write 2x minus 3 is equal to 10. This equation can be written as here. Let's understand what is mean. First understand. We understood what is equation. Equation consists equality sign. Let's see what is term. So this is one term, this is two terms. Okay, so this equation consists two terms. Okay, this is first term, then this is second term. So this equation consists two terms. Now, so they are called terms. Now let's rewrite this equation. Okay, what is the relation between this 2 and x? The relation between 2 and x is multiplication. Okay, multiplication. It means 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 10. And this 2 cross x means 2 times x. Okay, it means x plus x. Okay, this x plus x can be written as 2x also. Minus 3 is equal to 10. So this is the equation. Now let's move into again this. So we have learned what is term. Term is this is first term, this is components of equation, this is one component, this is second component. Now let's see what is coefficient and who consist coefficient. So variables have coefficient. Okay, constant does not have coefficient, variables have coefficient. Here what is who is variable? Variable is x, so coefficient of x is 2. Before any number before coefficient is any number before variable is coefficient. Okay, but with relation multiplication, here 2 is in multiplication with x, so 2 is called coefficient. Any number which is multiplied with coefficient, it is called any number which is multiplied with variable, it is called coefficient. So here 2 is coefficient. Okay, now and which is not multiplied with any number which is not multiplied with variable, then it is called constant. Okay, it is called constant because here the value of this term will be changing. Okay, will changing, but the value of this term is not changing, it is remaining 3 throughout the process, but the value of this 2x is changing. Okay, so this is constant. Okay, the number which is not multiplied with any variable, then it is called constant, and any number which is multiplied with variable, it is called coefficient. Okay, so we learned what is coefficient, what is coefficient, then constant, and this side is called left hand side. Okay, this is at left of this equal, so this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay, if we interchange, if we write 10 is equal to 2x minus 3, then it is left hand side and this is right hand side. So we learned what is coefficient, constant, left hand side, right hand side, and in next video we will see how to find the solution of an equation. And remember, we are studying what type of equations? Linear equations in one variable. So stay tuned for chapter 2.